Here's the jar I was opening earlier, tapping on the counter in my kitchen, and then pop, and it opened. As I mentioned during my live stream before the technical difficulties, and as does any of the other residents and staff complain, such as PSCC 807. Other residents in themselves made more disturbances, loud noises, disturbances, and other annoyances earlier. As Bella says, we're not guilty. This is good. It's plus 20 here. I did not eat lots of foods earlier today. Less than 600 calories, I suppose, I'm eating now. As the witch, this is something I found. I fell in love with foods. Not lots of calories. Foods. Not too many calories, foods I should say. Just enough.